If you start gCADPlus and don't have a drawing open and click File and Recent, you'll get a list of recently edited files, and in the right hand side a little preview. So you can use the arrow key to scroll down through the list of drawings that you have been working on and recall any of them very quickly. You can of course also browse to any folder that you like, or even go straight to the new option where you get a blank drawing area. So that it is well worth experimenting with that file and recent from the opening panel in gCADPlus. Once you have a drawing open, of course, you have other options on the file drop-down menu. We can insert a completely different gCADPlus drawing into this drawing. Now this drawing, it currently has no name, we just chose it as a blank drawing area. So I could pick Insert, and that will enable me to select, say, a logo in this instance. So I've inserted that logo into this environment. You may notice that the insertion tool has broken everything that I brought in, has been broken up into its constituent parts. So you might, if you use that insert option, you might want to wrap a box around these and say I'm going to create that and create a group or a block of that. I'll call it logo, and for a pick point I'll pick here and OK it. Now I can move that logo around and use it in whatever way I want. So File and Insert enables you to bring in other design elements. There's an alternative way of bringing in a whole drawing and keeping it locked as a block, and that's done with I'll go this way with the blocks command. I can click here and then say add from another file, and I can bring in say the title block into this environment, and I'll say OK, insert it into the drawing, and in goes the title block. So can you see it has stayed as a single block there? So you might want to use that as an alternative. I used the icon on the toolbar over there, but you could have used the draw and insert, insert block from current drawing, and that would enable you to get to that same point that I got to before. So there are multiple ways of cannibalizing your earlier work and use it to drop into your drawing environment. My advice would be create your own template, use the template to create a new job, and then bring in work from earlier jobs into that template. So that's File and Insert.